Yo, what's good? This is St. Joe, MachinePacks.com. I just want to show you how to install these VST preset packs. So I'm going to use the Air Instrument one, but it doesn't matter which one you get. It's going to be pretty much the same. So I'm just going to extract these to my desktop. When you open it up, you'll see an image folder and then your presets folder. Your image is for like if you want to see the plugin images directly on Machine Studio Controller, for any plugins that allow that. If it has like a weird name or weird characters in the name, then you can't really do the image files for it, but other ones you can. So you'll see those in there. For PC, since you're using 64-bit, you want to use the ones that say 64-bit. For the plugins on Mac, you'll just use the ones that just have the name by it normally. But you can just copy this whole folder to your image folder if you want to, and it'll save you some time. So you got that. Then you got the presets. You can go in and grab whatever you want. For me, I'm going to just use all of these. So I'm going to copy this. So you can put these wherever you want. I like to put them inside of the standard user directory in the plugin folder. So I can just go over here to my documents and find native instruments. And then I want to go into machine 2. And right there where it says plugins, I can just paste it right there. So this is my standard user directory. Like I said, whether you're on Mac or PC, your standard directory is pretty much the same. And if at any time you want to know exactly where your standard user directory is, you can open up Machine and go into your preferences. So we'll go to preferences, go to library, under user, and you can find your standard user directory right there. So if you want to know the exact path, you can go right there and find it. And if you don't want to put them there, you can put them anywhere as long as you just go in here and add the location, under your user directory. So we got that. The next thing we want to do is our images. So I'll just go in here and copy all the images. I know I only need the 64-bit ones, but if you just want to make it easier, you can copy them all, or we can just go in there and copy the ones we need. Since I'm on PC, I'm going to go and copy these. So the Air Music Tech is going to allow you to kind of see your Air logo in your browser and on the Machine Studio Controller, and then the individual plugins are for the Machine Studio Controller. So we got that. Same thing, you want to go find your user. So we're going to go to users. This time you want to go to public, and on Mac it's going to be like your shared, public documents, whatever, but we're going to go to our public documents, and I want to find my NI resources folder, and I'll just paste it right there. So I'll paste all that stuff directly in there. Now we'll just open up Machine, and what I can do to get all that stuff to show up, I'll just go over to my preferences, go to my library, user, and right here, since I know that's where I put it at, I'm going to rescan it. So once it's done rescanning, you can close it. Like I said, if you don't want to put them in your standard user directory, you can put it wherever you want to, collect all your presets, as long as you just go in there and add that location and scan it. So now if we go over under our instruments, you can see right here, you got to be under your user. And we look, that's the file we added, the picture file, so you can see Air Music. And then we have all our stuff right here. Now, if you have more than one from the same manufacturer, you'll see the banks right here for the individual plugins. So you can go into the individual ones and just focus on whatever plugins you want. And of course, this all pulls up directly on your controllers as well. So really straightforward in terms of installing, but just want to make sure you understand what's going on. And again, if you want to see this icon here, just make sure you copy over that image file to the images directory. So of course, if you got any questions, I'll be happy to help you out. This is St. Joe, MachinePacks.com.